ReQuiz review 9.3, 9.4, problems 3 and 4. For problem number 3, we're going to add two radicals together. Now, if you look at the radical portion, they are not the same. We have the 4 through to 48 and the 4 through to 243. So what we need to do first is simplify each radical. So I'm going to start with the 48. I know that 48 is 4 times 12. 12 is 4 times 3. 4 is 2 and 2. 4 is 2 and 2. Now I'm finding the fourth root. So underneath I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's and 1, 3. So for a number to leave the radical, there must be 4 of them. And there are 4 2's, so that means a 2 is going to drop out. And then this 3 is by itself. It has to stay underneath the radical. But we also had a 2 outside to begin with, so I need to put that and bring that down. So 2 times 2 is 4, fourth root of 3. So that's what I get when I simplify 2 times the fourth root of 48. Now I'm going to go and break down the 243. This would be 3 times 81. And 81 is 9 and 9. 9 is 3 and 3. 9 is 3 and 3. So underneath the radical, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3's. And in order for a number to leave the radical, you need to have 4 of them. There are 4 3's, so 3 will drop out, and 1 3 will have to stay home. And then we also had a 3 outside to begin with, so we need to bring that down. 3 times 3 is 9, fourth root of 3. And we're adding these together. Now, if you look at the radical portion, they are now the same, so we can add them. 4 plus 9 gives us 13. And then we'll write the fourth root of 3 on the end, and that would be your solution. Question number 4, we're going to multiply two radical binomial expressions. So we're going to FOIL this. We'll start with the first. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we'll do the outside. 3 times negative 2 roots of 11 is negative 6 square root of 11. And then we'll go 5 times the square root of 11 is 5 square roots of 11. And then we'll do last. Think of this as a 1 times a negative 2 is negative 2. And the square root of 11 times the square root of 11 is 11. So when you multiply a radical times itself, it's going to cancel it out. So we have 15 minus 6 square root of 11 plus 5 square root of 11 minus 22. And then we'll combine like terms. 15 minus 22 gives us negative 7. Negative 6 minus 5 is negative 1 square roots of 11. And that would be our final solution.